Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. What you're about to see is an exclusive series on Dojo Go TV. If you guys like to see the rest of the remaining episodes over the next 3 weeks, make sure you guys become a member by clicking the link down below. I'll see you guys there. Hi everybody, welcome back. Now it looks like according to the map, we gotta get through the dark forest in order to get to the other side. You guys ready to go through the dark forest? How about you, Dojo?
I don't want to go.
What's wrong, buddy?
I feel so anxious.
Feeling anxious. Well, Dojo, you know what I like to do when I start to feel anxious?
What's that?
Exercise. Okay, so if you guys are ever at home, if you ever feel anxious or depressed, or maybe you kind of feel like icky, exercise is a really great way to help you guys get in a better mood, okay? So how about before we go into the dark forest, let's do a really quick workout. Q, would you happen to have HIIT in your programming?
Affirmative.
Well, if you guys don't know what that is, HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, which is basically a fancy way of saying we do exercises for a certain amount of time, we rest, then we do it again, and we repeat the process, okay? Now, this is a really great way to get a lot of practice, get your heart beating, and also get really good exercise in, okay? You guys ready to start your HIIT exercise? Nah, I don't believe you. Yes, sir? Awesome, awesome. Okay, so here's the 3 exercises we're going to do. We're gonna do jumping jacks, push-ups, and squats. Now here's the thing, we're gonna do jumping jacks for 30 seconds, then we'll do push-ups for 30 seconds, and squats for 30 seconds. We're gonna do this for a total of 3 rounds. Now here's the thing, if you can't keep up with me, that's okay. Do the best that you can. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, guys, let's get started.
All right, everybody, you guys ready for the high intensity interval training? We're gonna start with jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks, let's go. Make sure your hands are going above your head and make sure you're going the entire 30 seconds. Keep pushing, don't stop. We're almost there, 15 more seconds. Go work, you guys. You're doing a great job. All right, we're gonna rest in 3, 2, 1. All right, 10-second rest. Next thing we're gonna do is push-ups. Make sure when we do our push-ups, we go all the way down and all the way up. Ready? And go. Good. Yep, go all the way down, all the way up. Don't go halfway, go all the way down. Let your chest hit the floor, and as soon as your chest hits the floor, push yourself all the way back up. Great work, everybody. We're almost done. Good job. We got 5 more seconds. And rest. Nice job. All right, the third exercise we're going to do is going to be squats. Make sure when we squat, we go all the way down to the floor and all the way up. Keep your heels on the ground. Let's go. Good job. Try to have a tall back and try to keep your hands in the same position the whole time. Great work, everybody. Make sure you don't rush. Go all the way down and go all the way up for the whole 30 seconds. Awesome job, you guys. We're almost done. Great work.
All right, guys, great job. Great work, Dojo. You feel a little better now?
Yeah, I feel much better.
Awesome. Yeah, I knew you were gonna feel better. All right, guys, let's head over to the dark forest. It's really dark in here. Q, would you happen to have a flashlight ready? Oh, awesome. Well, that's really helpful. Should keep you around more often, buddy. Let's see. Well, it appears that this forest has a lot of wires going through it. I mean, it's no surprise. We had to fight a robot crab, didn't we? Do you guys hear that sound? It's a robot spider. I don't like spiders. You guys remember last time we fought a spider? It was big, but this one has robot, and it looks like it's shooting a missile at us. Duck! Oh man. All right, guys. Well, we gotta defeat this spider robot together. Can you guys help me and Dojo and Q do that? Awesome. All right, hands up, buddy stance. Aya. Good, awesome. All right, here's what's gonna happen. He's gonna shoot a web at us. We gotta duck underneath, and as soon as we duck, we're gonna go knee, front kick, round kick, okay? Let's practice that together. Ready, duck, knee, front kick, round kick. Nice, good job, you guys. Again, duck, good, knee, front kick, round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. And duck, knee, front kick, round kick. Awesome, good job, good job. 2 more times, there you go. Duck, knee, front kick, round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, well, this robot's really tough. It's really strong. What can we do, you guys? What's that, Q?
May I offer some assistance?
You can defeat this robot? How?
Give me some time, and I can charge up my energy beam.
Huh. Okay, guys. Well, we gotta buy Q some time. While he's charging up his energy, here's what we gotta do. We gotta distract the spider. So here's what we're gonna practice. We're gonna come up here. We're gonna jump forward, pull back, and then throw a Superman punch. Okay? That way he's coming towards us and not towards Q. Ready? And everyone go, Hujin. Superman punch. Awesome, good. Let's go up chin first. Up chin. Hujin. Superman punch. Awesome, good, good. Again, ready? Up chin. Hujin. Superman punch. Awesome, Q, you almost ready? Ready? Up chin. Hujin. Superman punch. Awesome, good, good, nice, good. One more time. Ready to go? Up chin. Hujin. Superman punch. All right, Q, you ready? All right, ready? We're gonna throw Q. We're gonna hold a back stance. Okay, and then when I say front stance, we're gonna push Q, and Q's gonna blast him with the beam to destroy the spider. Ready? Everyone say, Hana, Dur, set, net, front stance. Toss it. Nice, good job, you guys. High five. Good, good. All right, Q. Thank you, buddy. High five. High five, Dojo. Awesome. Well, it looks like we defeated the spider. What's that sound? Oh man, I think this was the mother spider. Now there's a bunch of tiny spiders everywhere. There's a bunch of little tiny robot spiders. All right, here's what we gotta do, you guys. We gotta make sure we run away. We don't get caught. I see the end of the forest is over there. Let's go, go. Good, good, keep running, keep running, keep running. All right, we don't wanna step on these spiders, so we gotta jump, jump. Good, good, keep running, keep running, keep running. Good, jump. Good, nice, good, keep going, we're almost there. Jump. Good, good, nice, one more. Jump. Awesome, good job, you guys, high five. Very, very good work today. All right, so it looks like we're finally out of that forest. Now, there's a fork in the road. Either we go this way and we head over to the lagoon, or this way to the village. Q, would you happen to know which way has the shortest path to the submarine?
The lagoon is faster. However, I would recommend taking the longer route through the village. I hear the lagoon is dangerous right now with all the robots over there.
Probably right. Probably shouldn't head over to the lagoon. Well, maybe the people of the town can help us out. Let's go ahead and head to the town, you guys. All right. Huh. Looks like nobody is here. Looks abandoned. Do you guys see anybody in this town? Dojo, do you see anybody? I wonder where we can go, where we can start. We don't even know. There's nobody here, Q.
Master Kelly, I found something.
What's that, Dojo? You found something? All right, guys, let's see what Dojo found. Huh. What's this? A blueprint. Let's take a look, you guys. Huh. This is a very interesting diagram. Do you guys know what this means? Does it look familiar to you? Maybe. Well, we'll have to find out next week. So in the meantime, make sure you guys stick with the end of this video so you can do your cool down, do your deep breathing and your stretching. And I'll see you guys next time. Chariet? Kenya. Good work. See you guys in the cool down. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. Give a nice nod after me. I'm gonna say Hana, Dur, Set, Net, Hasit, Yasit, Irbo, Ider, Ahop, Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot. We're gonna pick up our knee just like this.
And then we're gonna put our hands on the ground to keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Everyone say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, oho. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, we're stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. Double together, everyone say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, oho. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, good. Nice. Now we're gonna take this foot. We're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good. Awesome. All right. Let's together say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. Come say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. You stretch your upper body just like this. Okay? And we say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick, but really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Pull. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Now say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back of your head here, stretching your neck down. And say hana, dur, set, net, asit, yasit, yugo, ider, aho. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Ready yet? And yeah.